Namaskar, my name is Gajendra Das Sharma and you are watching English, and we are in the continuation of the ongoing lecture series on common errors. And here in this video we have taken two words, capital and capital. They look similar, they are phonetically similar, and what is their difference? Difference is quite obvious. First let us talk about capital. So capital refers to a building where the US government resides or lives or takes the session. So US Congress, the building where US Congress resides at Washington DC. So it is Capitol. It is similar to the Sansad Bhavan, Parliament House of our country. तो वो बिल्डिंग वहाँ पे इसको क्या कहते हैं, Capitol. Capitol is basically taken from Capitoline Hill where the temple of Jupiter lies, the classical god. So from there it has been taken in USA. So it is the seat where the US government or US Congress in Washington DC resides. तो वो पार्लियामेंट हाउस उसी को कैपिटल कहते हैं. अभी लास्ट टाइम कैपिटल पे थोड़ा सा अटैक भी हुआ था. इट वाज इन न्यूज़. Capital on the other hand is quite different thing. Capital, just like Capitol lies in Washington DC. So Washington DC is the capital. So capital refers to a city, just like New Delhi. New Delhi is the capital of our country. Just like states have their own capitals. So capital may refer to a city and capital is a building. Capital के कई सारे दूसरे मीनिंग भी होते हैं. Capital as a noun can also refer to the starting money with which we start some business, or the kind of money or the amount of money which we invest in some policy, in some scheme. So SIP में आप capital gain के लिए जो gain होता है उसको capital gain कहते हैं. तो capital refers to the amount or the money which we invest somewhere और इन सम पॉलिसी, शेयर मार्केट में लगाना या फिर किसी पॉलिसी में लगाना, तो उसको भी कैपिटल कहते हैं. और उससे मिलने वाला जो आपका फ़ायदा होता है उसको कैपिटल गेन. कैपिटल अगर एज एन एडजेक्टिव देखोगे, सो कैपिटल एज एन एडजेक्टिव रिफर्स टू सम डेथ पनिशमेंट. सो कैपिटल पनिशमेंट रिफर्स टू डेथ पनिशमेंट. तो वहाँ पे वो एज एन एडजेक्टिव उसका मीनिंग है. और कॉमनली कैपिटल आपने कैप्स लॉक के लिए भी यूज़ किया जाता है. जो अल्फ़ाबेट होते हैं वो अपर केस और लोअर केस. अपर केस में जो होते हैं वो कैपिटल लेटर्स होते हैं. सो आई होप you understood the difference and now you can use them clearly, or you can identify their use clearly. And if this video has been able to successfully clear your doubts, so like it, share it among your friends and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.